Wrongful death cases are handled in some ways the same as injury cases and in some ways very differently. With regard to liability, proving who is at fault for the accident that caused the death of the loved one, those parts of the case are similar to a personal injury case. In other words, we use investigators to contact witnesses early and often. We hire expert consultants in order to evaluate the evidence for the particular accident to help us determine exactly what happened at the time. Depositions of witnesses and involved parties are taken, all of which combine to allow us to develop a solid case that fault for the accident was on those responsible parties that we're bringing suit against. The damages in a wrongful death case, however, are proven differently to a great extent than a personal injury case. Sometimes there's a medical issue as to whether or not the accident in question led directly to the death of the loved one, but most of the time it's pretty clear, unfortunately, from the accident what happened. Where necessary, however, we will retain the necessary consultants to make sure we can prove that it was this accident and not some pre-existing condition that led to this person's tragic death. Much of what we do, however, in terms of proving damages in a wrongful death case revolves about the duty to show to everyone exactly who this person was, who has passed away so suddenly and tragically. And we do that by talking to anyone and everyone that we can find who knew them, mostly family members, friends, and co-workers. The people close to this person who help us show exactly what they meant to their family and friends. We do statements, we do video, we use photographs, all kinds of things to put together a portrait that ultimately is normally turned into a video about this person, who they were, and most importantly, what they meant to the family member or family members who we represent. This is work that we take very seriously, and we're always honored to carry this out on behalf of these families. It's one part of the work we do here that I think we're most proud of.